Hey, for 40 bucks, this bumper doesn't fit too bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on the BMW 525 diesel e39. This car is needing major overhaul. It's going to be painted, and today I have removed the old blue bumper after the accident. So I test fitted a new one I bought for $40, and it fits up quite well. For 40 bucks, I would not expect us to fit this car at all. So it needs paint, it needs some modifications done to it, because my car is fitted with headlamp washers and park distance sensors, and so I have to cut some holes in it because it comes without it, but that's okay. I could have bought an original bumper for 500 bucks, but heck, this car is almost 20 years old. I didn't feel like buying a brand new bumper for $500, and that's plus all the grills and everything. But yeah, I'm actually looking at the car as I'm sitting down on the floor. I've tested my Wish action cam. I've done some video, me removing the old bumper and installing the new one. So comment below if that's usable. I'm gonna put that video in right now. So guys, after making an attempt to put this bumper on, I did fit the crash bar to the bumper before I put it on the car. I need to adjust it a little bit. As you can see, we have a gap and a little bow right here. That's expected with a cheap bumper. This is a, I don't know, Chinese, Taiwan, Asian knockoff, but hell, it's an old car. It fits up quite well on this side. I'm happy with the fitment on this side. Maybe this has been in a package, you know, it's been packaged up for a year, this bumper. I bought this last summer. This car has been sitting for a long time now. It's been sitting for almost a year. It's just been parked up in here. And I'm going to show you around what we're going to do to it. I'm going to replace front struts because they have a banging noise in them. I replaced all the other wearables in the suspension, so that's actually good. So the rest of the suspension is good, but the struts are the last thing. Wheels, they will be replaced. They're curve rashed. They don't look too bad on this car, but they don't look very good now, and I can't buy new ones anymore. So, but they're nice to drive on. And at the back here, you have some rust coming through, but this can all be sanded. And this is new actually, so that has to be taken care of. I'm gonna sand most of this car. It's probably just gonna go a little dark because it's darker back here. I'm gonna put some light on for you. Come on, focus now. Okay. Right there I have some rust in the corners. That's the same on both sides. Hopefully this is not rusted through, because this panel is really expensive. Tailgate, yep, it has rusts in all its normal places, so yeah, I have to replace. That's my license plate. You were not supposed to see that. More. This is the worst corner. This is where the damage was first. So it has a dent here, rust there. This trim needs to be replaced. I have to paint this bumper because it has a little bit of a damage there. But this bumper is reusable. And I have, yeah, wow. After 20 years it started bubbling. This is, yeah, come on, let's turn this light off. No, don't turn this light off. Okay, so yeah, it has some surface rust on the wheel well here. We're gonna sand that and put some rust treatment to it. This is solid metal still, so this is just under the paint. And this door, which is gone, this door will be replaced. Passenger front door. This will be replaced. I have a new door, so or not new, but I have a used door in the same color that I have to put together because it has nothing in it. And then the last bit of damage is this seal right here. I hope that's something that can be saved. Yes, I know the car is not clean, it's dirty, and it has been sitting, so with dirt on it. I know. My wing is bubbling. Actually haven't seen that before now. Oh well. I'm not sure I'm gonna touch this. I don't know how many years this car has left, so we live in the Rust Belt, so this is all fairly common. There you have it. Sorry for the glare from the lights. I have very low lights in my shop here, so. But leave a comment below if the video from the action cam is usable or crap. So please put a like to the video, or put one of these on it, or if you like it, put one of them, and I would I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who could find this interesting. And we'll see you again in the next one.